It's time to fabricate a custom exhaust for the Chevy Cruze turbo build. Let's do it.
I'm making some good progress. I got the exhaust out, which I had to drop the rear section. It's just a couple 19mm bolts. I got all of the exhaust out, and look at that. I decided to put my cat back over here, and then there's the Flowmaster FX, the straight through design. Probably should have showed that while it was out, but anyhow, I just need to tack this up and then do my bends around here and out the back. Fully done. It's about to rain. I'm going to take everything off and weld it up. You can see we got the downpipe going. This I just have to help hold that together. But it goes all the way back, routes around. I still need to put the O2 bungs in it. Catalytic converters there. Got the flange, just kind of like OEM. The muffler, and it's in place where the resonator was. And then it goes back and up. I did have a jack here. Now that I have this thing kind of coming apart, it's kind of sagging just a little bit. It goes up and over. So we got our section that goes over this straight axle here. And once I get everything all bolted up, I need to push this up a little more, and then we got our exhaust tip coming out the back. About finished with the exhaust. I've got my downpipe in with my wideband all hooked up. I just touched some of these parts up here where the welds are at with just a little bit of silver VHT paint. Last thing I got to do is put a couple bungs here, one for the wideband sensor and then the other for the downstream. Even though there's no cap before it, I'm still going to put it on there. Everything that is raw steel is painted, left the stainless steel alone. Now we can install the exhaust. sounds good.
Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and install the intercooler and charge pipe. So that way we can make some of that sweet boost. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Peace out.